Happy Motivational Monday, everyone, where we deep clean, declutter, and organize one small space a day for 5 days. I'm going to take you through our week on our Monday through Friday deep cleaning this week. Day one this week, we are back to the girls' room. As you can see, they have these 4 drawers on the side of their bed. This top one is the only one that I'm actually going to be organizing, and it has all of their winter hats, their gloves, mittens, things like that in there. I'm going to try them on them, see if they fit. And then this fall, I'm gonna wait till fall, I'm gonna get them some more or crochet them some more to wear. But for now, I'm gonna have them try on what's in here, sort through it, and organize it. While I'm doing that, they are going to work on these 3 drawers here. They each have one drawer where they can put like all their special little things that they wanna keep, things that they wanna protect in each of these drawers. And they're gonna each do their own drawers, while, like I said, while I'm doing this one. Day 2, we are just working on the school corner. Now, because of everything going on right now, I cannot touch anything on the fireplace. The eventual goal is for the Abeka books to be sold, the ones that the teacher keys and the reusable books that we're not using to be sold, and have these bins on top of there or on that shelf. But for right now, we're just going to clear out what we're not keeping and clean the floor. Then later on this summer, hopefully we can clear this off and work on it. But the boxes are being saved to ship books out to people as we sell off the teacher keys that we're not using. But like I said, I'm not as worried about it right now. It really doesn't bother me that bad. I mean, it kind of does, but it doesn't. But right now, like I said, my thing is I want to be able to get in the school corner, make it look nice with the chairs over here, get it cleaned up, and go through books and just get rid of books that we are not using anymore and get it cleared out. Day 3 is my closet. Now, I'm actually not going to show you what it looks like before and after. It's mostly organized, but there's a few little surprise things in there for some of you who watch this, some of my close friends, and I don't want you to see that. So I'm not going to show you what the closet looks like before we begin, but I am going to show you, like, I'm going to take all my clothes out and start going through what I actually want to keep and getting rid of some of the ones that I don't want to keep. I can't actually show you this part of it. This is my clothes. That's literally all I have in the closet. I'm very minimalist when it comes to clothes for myself, and I was in the process of changing clothes out as I was losing weight. Weight's kind of been stalled for right now, but that's okay. But I have like clothes over here for me. I'm not gonna go through Matt's. If he decides he doesn't want something, he usually is just like, hey, let's not put this back in the closet. His work clothes go here, his other work clothes are down there. But I'm gonna focus on my clothes here, see what I wanna keep and get rid of, and put the rest of what I am going to keep back up in the closet. So not a lot of changes on the clothing, but I was able to get like jewelry and things hung back up, get some other like seasonal clothing things out of here and taken care of, and took care of like some other stuff. So yay, done with the closet. Hey everyone, day 4 is going to be my dresser. Now that the girls' stuff is done, their clothes are done, I have their clothing list, my closet's done. Now I know what I need clothing wise. I'm going to take care of this one shelf on the dresser here, clear off all the stuff that doesn't go there, and go through drawers here and pull out clothes that I don't want to keep or don't fit or whatever, and just clear clothing out today. So quick tip on fabrics that can't be vacuumed, that are dusty. Use canned air and it'll blow the dust right off. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it better there. And that's how I use to dust this off. Either that or I'll gently shake it, but this seems to work much better. Day 5 for this week, I am going to be knocking out, cleaning out our dining room closet. It kind of is a catch-all in our house, and it is placed like all the hangers go here. Right now, until the girls' bathroom is redone, their towels and washcloths are in here. The extra paper towels are in here. the suitcases, but I'm going to take these doors off because they come off, and I'm going to clear it out, clean out, and I may not like dust everything in here, but I can run the vacuum through here and pull these bags out because eventually I'm going to be taking care of doing those for a video as well, or part of a video as well. But first thing I'm going to do is move these jars that need to eventually end up at the top with the rest of the jars, take the doors off, and get started. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.